Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Danny Chang, and this is going to be my first video into YouTubing. I've always wanted to be a YouTuber, and I've always worked with other YouTubers. Yeah, you probably see me around in the whole car design world and things like that. So yeah, on my walls are sketches, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys I'm going to give you guys some sketching tips and some 3D modeling tips, and just trying to show you the design world from my point of view. I think I have a bunch of experiences that I think are worth sharing with you guys. So yeah, stay tuned, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm up to right now. So it's been a while since I sketched anything with markers, and this is my first sketch with markers in about 5 to 6 months, I think. This is my second sketch, and then it just gets slightly better and better. And then I went on, I did some ideations with some different lines and different forms. I mean, it's not bad for having not sketched in a while, actually. Over here, I was sketching with some forms, just, like something, nothing car-like, kind of car, kind of not, something hovercraft-like, but these are gonna be the kind of things I'll be focusing on the next couple of days, just to get myself looser and just to try some crazy things. But this is all my preparation for the New York sketch battle. So this right here is my box of Copics. This is what I use for my competition. It has, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 64 slots for markers. I mostly use cool gray for when I'm rendering. It's to get that nice metallic effect, and I'll show you guys how to do that effect in an upcoming video. But as you can see, I have the cool grays, the whole range, neutral grays, toner gray, and some very basic colors. Copic has a bunch more colors than this, but I like to only use these colors as my base, and I like to layer a lot of colors. So for my blues, and again, I'll go more in depth once I show you guys how to do the colors the way I do them, and it's little bits and tips and tricks that I learned throughout my career and my life at Art Center, having to do these large 18 by 24 works for class. But as you can see here, I have multiple blues, and they're not just blues. I have a violet, I have what is this, a Prussian blue. So B39, B26, B24, B20, it's the whole range of blue. And I also have violets. So if you add different levels of blue with different colors and how it bounces, it will give it a much more rich color on the paper. It never translates too well when you scan it in, but in person markers give a really nice. Here I have my white tips, and the white tips are one of my favorites because you can cover so much ground when you're sketching with them. And over here are all the refills I have. So I have a refill pretty much for all of my colors. I have some new ones, I have some old ones. I never know what I'm gonna need. So yeah, so in this box here I have probably $4,000 to $5,000 worth of markers, because I bought them individually. I never bought them a whole kit. It probably would have been cheaper, and I'm probably exaggerating the number a little bit, but this is how many markers I have. I have a lot more that I keep in a bucket in storage, but this is the ones that I keep with. So this is the Middlecott sketch battle. This is their Instagram page, and they are run by Frank Schwartz and Brooke Banham. They run these sketch battles that go to Detroit, New York, Chicago, San Francisco, Las Vegas, and Los Angeles. Most of these shows coincide with auto shows. So the one in Detroit, the one in New York, Chicago, and Las Vegas, which is SEMA, Los Angeles, which is the Los Angeles Auto Show. The kind of people that come out are mostly the school kids that come out. You have, Detroit, the CCS guys, and let's see, in San Francisco, you got the Academy of Art guys, and in Los Angeles, Las Vegas, you got the Art Center guys. So there's a lot of really talented people that come out, a lot of talented designers and non-designers, which I found really surprising and fun to interact with. Yeah, so if you guys are in the area where when they're competing or wherever, they always make an announcement on their Instagram page, and if you guys can make it and come out and battles against some of the, you know, some of the best designers, some of them are students, and you know, it's just overall just a fun time, and just sketching cars and talking about cars and yeah, just hanging out. Here's one of them to show. I think this one was the Detroit Auto Show. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. It's a big. It's almost become like a an industry event where all the designers come out, all the managers and all the big guys. They're all there, just watching, just hanging out, drinking and relaxing and chilling. Nothing, no stress, nothing. Really good music. You know, really good music. I wanna shout out to Nemo for that. Nemo is an old school friend of mine from my it's, you know, I've known him for a long time, but he DJs at these events, and he puts some pretty good jams. So yeah, that's a little look into my preparation for the New York Sketch Battle. So hope you guys stick around and subscribe to my channel. There's gonna be a lot more content, a lot more Procreate content. I'm gonna upload some 3D modeling content too, so it's gonna be a lot of new stuff coming up, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. I've been practicing that forever, so you guys don't even know. But anyway, smash that subscribe button, and see you guys soon.